my channel Manage Your Destiny Astrological Insights by Deepika Tandon. Saturn is going direct in its own sign Capricorn on 29th of September 2020, which means Saturn will get back to its original speed, and today I will talk about that. Saturn usually transits in one sign for 2.5 years. Saturn transited in Capricorn on 24th of January 2020. In fact, I had made a post back in January about the effects of this Gocha for the next 2.5 years. You can go back and check it on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter profile by the name Manage Your Destiny. Now, Saturn had turned retrograde on 11th of May 2020, where it had lost its power, making everyone lazy and slow. So now this shift of Saturn going direct will bring important changes in everyone's life. You will feel like you regained your powers. Your productivity level will shoot up. Guys, this movement can bring some good news. It can act like a sign of relief depending upon the placement of Saturn in your own birth charts, which house Saturn is ruling and aspecting, which nakshatra it is in, and of course the impact whether low or high will depend upon the dasha you are running in, as that plays a major role in your current situation. Now guys, before I begin, quickly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss out notifications of my exciting astro-based videos. Now Saturn is the Karaka of karma. It is the Karaka of your deeds, your job and business. It teaches you discipline and structuring, organizing everything in your life. It represents law and judgment. So Saturn gives result based on your dedication, hard work, determination and honesty. Saturn also signifies health. So in general, this shift will have an impact in your life in A, the job and business front. B, there will be relief in the health front like sudden recovery or improvements. And C, in other domains where justice needs to be served. If you are awaiting a judgment on any legal matters, the process may fasten, or you may at least see some moments happening. So this period will be something to rejoice and be excited about. Now, how you can make use of this motion shift in your own favor depends upon what Saturn promises in your chart. So let's see what changes Saturn direct will bring after 29 September 2020 for the next 6 months in your life as per your ascendant sign. Aries. Saturn is going direct in your 10th house, aspecting the 7th, 4th and 12th houses. It is the best placement for Saturn. This means the Karaka of karma is sitting in the house of karma. So you will experience a sudden rise in profession. You will be recognized by your bosses and clients. If you are into a business or related to foreign trading, then that will be fruitful. Now, clients will start approaching you. Any work that was stopped in between or lingering, that will catch pace. So overall, it will be a blessing for you guys as it is happening in your Kendra Sthan. There will be success from all angles, and you will also be in your comfort zone while you work, like a relaxed work from home kind of environment. In fact, you may get good deals where you will plan foreign trips in the coming months. Now, buying or selling of property or land related troubles will be resolved. Taurus. Saturn is going direct in your 9th house. It is happening in your Trikona, aspecting the 11th, 3rd and 6th houses. So guys, this period is good for foreign projects and journeys related to work. You will get a push and start flourishing. You will also experience sudden changes like a job switch or new projects coming in, or monetary gains from various unexpected sources. Some of you may join teams where your role will involve short trips. You will notice regularity in work. Some of you can plan startups with your colleagues or even your subordinates. If you are a consultant or a counselor, it's time to make money. If you are a student willing to enroll for higher studies abroad, then this is a good time to get the process started, because all kinds of documentation work will be done smoothly. And in case there is any litigation matter, then that will be resolved. Try visiting holy places, it's a good time to do that. Gemini. Saturn is going direct in your 8th house, aspecting the 10th, 2nd and 5th houses. This placement is a bit troublesome. Stress and tensions will exist. Your work will be good, but you will keep facing some obstacles. So keep your minds calm and relaxed. There also can be unexpected monetary gains from hidden sources or maybe through some foreign clients. If you want to make good use of this time, then spend quality time with your family. And if you felt cheated in love or face challenges, that will resolve slowly. So there will be success after this struggle very soon. Cancer. Saturn is going direct in your 7th house, aspecting the 9th, 1st, and 4th houses. This move happening in your Kendra Sthan is very promising for you guys. If you have an individual practice, you may suddenly get new clients. You never know from any angle, your business will start running smoothly. In fact, you will get more business related opportunities. Things at work will speed up. If you are planning to change your job, then that is quite possible. In case you are single, then you can find a spouse in the coming months, but take it easy, guys. Try not to rush in, because you are pretty emotional and you may end up taking decisions in haste. And your family will be supportive. In fact, you will get help to make long distance travel plans by the family. Leo, Saturn is going direct in your 6th house, aspecting the 8th, 12th, and 3rd houses. Leos, it is one of the best moments for you guys in 2020. It's time you will discover your treasure chest. Things will be in your favor, as Saturn, being a malefic, is in the Upacha house. That will help you in difficult situations. If you are involved in any kind of litigation, then that will be cleared. Your debts will be paid off. You will experience unexpected monetary gains, as this is an excellent financial period. Some big work will come your way, or if there are any pending old deals, then that will click. Don't expect too much from your business partner or spouse. It won't be in your favor. Your competitors and enemies will get a straight answer to stay off. You will be victorious there. Virgo. Saturn is going direct in your 5th house, aspecting the 7th, 11th, and 2nd houses. Your relationship with your love interest will improve. If you are facing any health issues, you will recover soon. Traders, you will do good in stock market. You will try to get over the investment losses you made in the past and come up with new financial plans. New income streams will emerge, and your new plans will be highly beneficial for you guys, as this move is happening in your Trikon house and also your Lakshmi Sthan, which is your 5th house. So it's highly beneficial for you guys. Those of you who are single, then there is high possibility of marriage. It's time for new beginnings, new investments, new ventures, new jobs, new partnerships, new clients. So overall, a beautiful period. Libra. Saturn is going direct in your 4th house, in your wonderful Kendra, aspecting your 6th, 10th, and 1st houses. Your relationship with the mother will be good. If she is suffering from any illness, she will do well, and you will be in your comfort zone, at peace while you work. You will enjoy new subjects. So, try picking up new subjects. You will love it. Totally dedicated towards your work. Your income troubles will be sorted in due course. Avoid arguments with your spouse, it won't help you. You will focus more on your career and make good use of this comfortable time at work. You will enjoy being close to the nature. So you can do some gardening work in your balcony or terrace maybe. Scorpio. Saturn is going direct in your 3rd house, aspecting the 5th, 9th, and 12th houses. Your communication with your near and dear ones will only get stronger in this phase. It's leisure time for you. Travel will be on your mind. You will think about all the ways to get away, even if it's a work trip. You can fall in love with someone on a foreign land, and if you were struggling with investment schemes, then now is the time to park your monies as per your partner's advice. Some of you will wish to leave your jobs and you will just want to travel. So you can go to a foreign land or go to some spiritual place. That will be good. And if you are finding a job, then hold on for a few months. Don't take up a job now. And in the meanwhile, you can do some consultation work or small projects that will pay off really well, better than a job. Sagittarius. Saturn is going direct in your 2nd house, aspecting the 4th, 8th, and 11th houses. If you are longing for family support, then you can finally count on them. They will understand you more than anyone, especially your mother. You may discover some inheritance or hidden savings in your name. Finances will be good. Your family friends will also be supportive along with your family. Those of you who are seeking new job opportunities will either find one, or some income stream will definitely open up for you guys. So you can expect an increment or a promotion. Capricorn, Saturn is going direct in your Lagna, that is the first house, aspecting the 3rd, 7th, and 10th houses. It is a jackpot situation for you guys. You were mentally stressed since a few months. You introspected a lot and tried hard to go to the root cause of your situation. So your hard work will pay off now. And those of you who are struggling with your spouse or business partner will be at ease. Communication is the key for you guys. Your bond will definitely get stronger if you try now. Your personal life will progress. This move indicates that you need to focus on your karma. Like if you had applied for a job a few weeks ago, then you can expect a response or get some other opportunity you waited for. So there can be a sudden push in your work that you were trying to do since months together. Aquarius, Saturn is going direct in your 12th house, aspecting the 2nd, 6th, and 9th houses. Guys, I'm sure many of you must have faced a lot of challenges with your finances and job scenes. So there will be sudden and unexpected expenses. Don't worry about it. At the same time, your income will be more than the expenses. So not much to worry about, okay? And if you are seeking new opportunities, then you must consider some multinational companies or find a job abroad. Some of you may even find foreign clients being in your own country. Those of you who are suffering from any illness, or if you are hospitalized, then situation will be under control after 29 September. Pisces, Saturn is going direct in your 11th house, aspecting the 1st house, 5th house, and 8th house. Now this is a good placement of Saturn as it is a malefic place in the Upacha house. So it's a win-win for you guys. Your social circle will suddenly become active. You can discover a new source of income. Some of you will find a great friend in your love interest and vice versa. Your relatives and elder siblings will become supportive. Your status will be elevated as whatever work you do, it will give you gains. Your savings will increase. So guys, that's my view on Saturn direct. You can always ask me relevant questions or leave your comments in the comment box below. And if you want to know about the impact of the planetary positioning in your birth horoscope and the nakshatras they are in, then you can book your session online with me by selecting the service of your choice from the list given on my website www.manageyourdestiny.com. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed my video on these astrological insights. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And you can also follow my page Manage Your Destiny on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter for my latest post updates. Bye bye for now.